In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your motorcycle license in Missouri. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over step by step that you need to complete in order to acquire your motorcycle license in Missouri. So first, complete a motorcycle safety education program. For the actual requirement, Missouri laws mandates that all first-time riders complete an MSEP or Motorcycle Safety Education Program course to obtain a Class M motorcycle license. The benefits is that these courses provide essential knowledge and skills for safe motorcycle operation and often waive the written and skills tests. So all that you have to do is visit the Missouri Department of Transportation website to find a list of approved courses and providers. So go over to the Missouri Department of Transportation. In here, you will be able to browse to all of the news and so on, and you can search for a motorcycle test. By doing this, you will be able to move on to step 2. So next, you have to obtain a motorcycle instruction permit. The requirements for this is to be at least 16 years old, and next, you need to pass a written test. By doing all of these steps, you will be able to visit your local Missouri Department of Revenue office and apply there. So as you can see, here's an example of the Missouri Motorcycle Safety Program. Click on Get Started and schedule an appointment for you to be able to do this. You will be able to get your license by registering here. So use the location finder to see the best location for you. Next, complete an optional motorcycle skills test and actually apply for your motorcycle license. So bring your completed MSEP certificate and motorcycle instruction permit to a Missouri Department of Revenue office. You will be able to find a location near you, and when you take those there, you will be able to get this process done. Pay the required fees, and you will get your motorcycle license. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in Missouri. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.